Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about types of plastics. Plastic as a material has taken over and replaced metal and wood which were previously used. Plastics have also replaced many glass items. Plastics have helped us to make advancement in technology, building, healthcare, transport and food safety. Plastics have completely occupied our life because of their characteristic qualities. Then plastics have many positive qualities such as lightweight, strong, and they can be molded into complex shapes. They are also flexible and waterproof, and some plastics are even UV resistant. Plastics are also cheap and convenient for us to use. So now that let us find out more about the different types of plastics. So plastics made up of polymers, they do not have the same type of arrangement of units. So what are the different types of plastics? The plastics we use in our daily life are also made up of polymers. So all plastics do not have the same type of arrangement of units. In some articles, the arrangement of a monomer is linear, and in some other items, the arrangement of articles is cross-linked. So depending on the type of arrangement, we have two main types of polymers. They are thermoplastics and thermoset. Let us see what these are. Thermoplastics. Polyethylene, then it is also called as polythene. It is an example of plastic. It is used for making polythene carry bags which are commonly used. So what are the other name of thermoplastics? Polyethylene or polythene. When we burn a polythene carry bag, it melts and turns into liquid along with the production of an offensive odor, a bright flame and soot. Then another example is PET, polyethylene terephthalate. So PET bottle, when we fill it with boiling water, it gets deformed. Plastics which can be easily softened and bent when heated are known as thermoplastics. So what are thermoplastics? Plastics which can be easily softened and bent when heated are known as thermoplastics. These plastics can be modified and turned into another plastic item through the process of recycling. So these type of plastics are known as thermoplastics. So thermoplastics are plastics which can be easily softened and bent when heated. So example of thermoplastic: PET water bottles. So these type of plastics can be easily softened and bent when heated. So it can be modified and turned into another plastic item through the process of recycling. The next type is thermoset. There are some plastics which once they are molded cannot be softened through heating them. These are called thermosetting plastics. So what are thermosetting plastics? Plastics which cannot be easily softened and bent when heated are known as thermoset. So example for thermoset: bakelite and melamine are some examples of thermosetting plastics. So bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. So it is used for making electrical switches, handles of various utensils. So bakelite is one of the example of thermoset because this type of plastic cannot be softened through heating. Then melamine resists fire and can tolerate heat. So it is used for making floor tiles and fabrics that resist fire. So bakelite and Melamine are two examples of thermoset. These type of plastics cannot be softened through heating them. So students, hope you all understood about the different types of plastics, that is thermoplastic and thermoset. Thank you.